Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add voiceover in CapCut. So in here, I've already opened my edit, and to add a voiceover, you just need to go to the audio menu first. Then in here, click on the record menu, click on that, and to start doing a voiceover or record your own voices, you can just click on the microphone icon. Then it will be count down like this, and you can just record your own voices like this. And after that, just click on the microphone again to stop, click on the check icon, and your recording or your voiceover will be automatically saved like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.